to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be learning House of the Rising Sun by the Animals. You got an A minor, you got a C major, you got a D major, and an F major. You're not going to be doing this bar chord, so you might as well do the easier version like this. And then back to the A minor, C, and then E major. But you could also make it an E7 if you want by taking your ring finger off. You could even put your pinky right here on the 3rd fret of the B string. It's up to you. You just go through the whole thing again. And when you get back to this A, then you go to the E instead of going to the C. And again, you could take your finger off, make it sound a little different. All right, so those are the chords, and then it's really up to you how you want to do the boo, ding, 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 ding. I'm pretty sure the real version goes. Just going down the strings. You could also strum it. It's up to you. Or you could do the advanced sweepy plucky. So you could hit the root note twice. Yes. When you get to here, you could either go and hit it twice on the bottom, or you could go and then do a Victor Wooten thumb technique where you actually go down and then back up with the thumb before you do the other plucks. It would sound like this. Pretty cool. It's entirely up to you. The real version, when you get to this D chord, it just hits the bottom string twice, and then same with the F. That's the whole thing. I'm pretty sure it just recycles that the entire time. But yeah, it's up to you how you want to play it. Just practice your finger plucking. It's a good finger plucking exercise. Good luck, sir. Good luck.